Hi guys! Okay, today I'm going to cook 3 cups of chicken. Then what I prepare in the morning is actually the chicken. Actually, I actually marinate some of the sesame and pepper. And this is the sweet basil leaf. And some of the chopped chili, garlic, ginger, rock sugar, spring onion. And instead of later on I will put on the water. But instead of water, right, I prepare a herbal chicken soup. So I'm going to use the herbal chicken soup as my water. Okay, very hard. I scared it slip off. Okay, and I was preparing the sauce. Most important thing will be the sesame. And in fact, instead of sesame oil, I also put the shallot oil together. So make it more flavorful. Yeah, as well as you can use different kind of wine. You can use rice wine. You can use Huang, you can use HuaTiao for the 三杯鸡 lah. It depends on personal preference lah. As well as the last one is the light soya sauce. Of course, this light soya sauce, not to put too much. If not, it will become very salty. As well, it depends how you're going to cook it. It depends on the personal preference. Whether are you a more strong flavor or are you a light flavor person? Yeah. So I'm going to start cooking now. Alright, see you later. Put some sesame oil first, followed by shallot oil, and later on put some ginger. And make it stir fried like a light golden brown. Then you will put other thing else first. Make sure it's a light golden brown and actually it starts to have fragrance already. Then you can put on your chicken. This is why I did this. Yeah. Make it more flavorful first. Put some garlic and put some rock sugar. Followed by later on will be my soya sauce. About 2 tablespoons. Yeah, man. Then will be my chili. Last but not least will be my chicken stock. It's actually a water you can put. It's my herbal soup chicken. Just now I made the herbal soup. So I just made inside. And I boil and about 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes. Still waiting for it to boil, and you must make all the juice to evaporate into the chicken, so it'll be more flavorful for the 三杯鸡. My whole kitchen smells very nice, to be honest. I think, yeah. I think you can hear the bubbling sound. Yeah. Waiting for it. Then I will transfer it to the clay pot and stew for more time again. Yeah. Then it will be much more fragrance. While waiting for it to boil finish before transfer, we got to put chili and spring onion. But spring onion we don't put it all together. We'll put everything on this one together. Followed by the spring onion. And cover it one more time again. This is how it looks like, bubbling. Then we got to prepare our clay pot already. Yeah, man. Put a bit sweet basil. Then have to stir fry a little bit. Stir fry a little bit, then we can put in the chicken. So I'm gonna transfer all the remaining to my clay pot. Yeah, man. Slowly transfer. This is what it look like. So I'm gonna put all the basil leaf on top on that. Then cover it and sprinkle with the rice wine later on together. Bubbling. So you can wait for it to bubbling. Then after that, you close your cover. And followed by the most precious thing, the rice wine and the Huang. I actually put in the rice wine that from China that my friend actually import in over here. So I'm going to input inside. Slowly, bit by bit. For it to slowly slip in. Oh, it smells so nice.